Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy English Speaking. So today 21 of day 21 of Learn English with me, and so I right now come out, and let me tell you one thing I can share with you related to my baby. So now I am laughing at myself because now I have to make videos in front of camera, and my baby is not leave me alone. That's why I turn on the TV and play the cartoon channel for my baby, because when my baby watching that cartoons, in that time I making videos, then I will be make my videos. So now I come out and sit under the tree, not under the tree, but these things is know every mother, because my baby is not live alone. He always want to live with me, and after sometimes he come out also and follow me. But now I share in 21 days is not enough for my learning. Uh, and before 21 days I think about that in 1 month, and even in 30 days I speak English very fluently. But this time is not enough for me, because as a mother I have not much time to focus on practice English speaking and reading a book, learning new words. So many problems have, but this is not problems. Sorry, but this is my first priority. But right now, I think I have to focus on reading a book, because I feel in recent videos when I speak any words, that time my voice is not clear. So then I understand I have to work on my reading a book, because when I read a book, then especially reading out loud, not silently in my mind, because out loud speaking is work very well in the journey of learning English speaking, not only in this language, any kind of language you have to learn. So that's why I realized that I want to reading a book out loud as much as how can possible. So one thing I also share with you, I have a kitchen garden, and in another video I will describe what kind of things I planted in my kitchen garden. So now my baby come out with me, and they show me what I am speaking, and sometimes I always laughing at myself. My baby is thinking how my mama is just speaking in alone. So it is very interesting. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. And if you not watch my previous videos, please go and watch my videos. Keep learning, keep practicing, be part of my journey. Thank you. Thanks for watching.